with or without the card. Dr. Will Kirby is joining us. It is so good to see you.
Patty Riley's Saturday Night Beauty. I am so happy to be here.
I love having you back.
Let's
kick it off right. And Dr. Will Kirby is a board-certified dermatologist. A lot of you recognize him from being on the series Dr. 90210, but more importantly, he has devoted his entire career to learning about skincare and sciences and formulas, and you have literally aligned with Neutrogena, which is a big, huge kind of household name company.
Very much so.
But in this event, we have something that we literally launched first here on QVC, Neutrogena Dermatologics, and this is the Retinol NX Eye Cream. What is Neutrogena Dermatologics?
Well, it's, like you said, it's an offshoot from Neutrogena, which is a Johnson & Johnson company, a name we all know and trust, but Neutrogena Dermatologics brings you the most advanced skin science.
So this is something we're not going to find out in traditional retail because we're launching all of these products right here on QVC. In fact, we started a year ago with the face serum.
Right.
Okay, now we're talking about eyes, and I'm sure that this is a question as a dermatologist you get quite often.
Every day.
All right. So
no, it's actually the #1 problem area that I see in my office is the eyes.
Okay.
Thinnest skin on the human body, so it's the first area where you're going to see the signs of aging.
For men and women.
Men and women.
So when we discuss this product, which is new and revolutionary and only available here, we were the first to launch it, and we're taking advanced orders, and you can even lock in this great price, which is only for a limited time, by choosing auto delivery. And once we ship this out, which will be right in December, early December, December 2nd, you'll get a new shipment every 60 days at that price. I have to ask you, what makes this formula so unique and different?
Well, let me tell you, let me take one step back. There is one phrase that summarizes what this does: superior eye anti-aging benefits. That's all you have to remember: superior eye anti-aging benefits.
Nice.
But it's a proprietary formulation of 3 ingredients: stabilized retinol. If you've ever seen me on Saturday Night Beauty with Patty before, I love stabilized retinol. Stabilized vitamin C, and an ingredient called Bio Peptide CL. And it's the blend of those 3 ingredients that offer the great benefits that this product
has. And they're
has.
in this tube. And
That's correct.
Are you going to be able to break down for us what those things will do as far as benefits?
I certainly can, but I'm afraid people are going to fall asleep.
All right,
so, well, ultimately what the 3 do is give you, like I said, superior eye anti-aging benefits.
And let's talk about, some of the things that people have with concerns around the eye
Certainly.
area.
Well, there's 6 areas that we concern ourselves with the eye. One is dry skin, under eye creases, the crow's feet, the lines of expression, and fine lines. So when you talk about those 6 areas, a independent clinical dermatologist test was done, and what they found within 1 use of this product, dermatologists in this study showed improvement in the crow's feet and under the eye wrinkles, and that improvement was significant improvement.
Wow.
So in those, there are 6 areas that we judge, but those 2 areas in particular, the crow's feet and the under the eye wrinkles, significant improvement as judged by dermatologists.
Okay. That's huge.
Huge. I mean, huge. The reason that people are so worried about the eye skin, like I said, it's the thinnest skin. Where do you first start to notice that? In signs of pictures. You take a lot of pictures during the holidays. You know, you're at parties and you look at the pictures of yourself and you say, you know what, that's where I'm starting to see the aging process. That's what people tell me. And so as a result, when you first start to see that aging process take place, it's usually in the eyes, and that means you need to do something about it.
Well, we're taking advance orders because it's still being produced, literally, in production. We're shipping it out to you December 2nd. We're giving you an opportunity to get it at an excellent advanced order price of $48 and change. It's about a 60-day supply, so if you want to choose auto delivery, you can literally lock in that advanced order price, because at one point that will go away. Well, tell me how to use it, when I should use it, and I think even a little bit of discussion should be said about how you apply an eye cream.
Great. It's so simple to use it. You just take a droplet size amount. Well, how big is a droplet? Well, just a tiny little droplet. That amount is enough to cover an entire eye area. So just that tiny little bit right there. Take a pad of your finger. It doesn't matter to me which finger at all. I really couldn't care less. Take a little pad. Dab, 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 all around the eye area.
All around the eye area.
Now, you can use this morning and night if you can tolerate it. I recommend you start it once a day first, and after a few days, you'll tolerate it, and you can start using it twice a day.
All right, and that's because of the ingredients, because of the percentages of the ingredients.
You can feel this working. You can actually feel this working.
And over time, what am I going to start to notice?
Let's talk about that. Once again, a different study was done. This is with consumers. Consumers noted in this, I'm going to give you a bunch of different statistics. That in this consumer study, then consumers said that they somewhat agree or agree with every single one of the statements. 86% fresh and rested, 81% under eye circles reduced, 76% defined lines were reduced, 71% fine lines reduced.
And this,
everything that you could talk about was, you know, statistically really saw a big difference. Consumers.
What about puffiness?
This product is not indicated for puffiness, and the study was not done for that.
Okay.
So it's not for that indication, but every other eye area that you can see it really works well for that.
And so here it's the combination of the unique ingredients, and let's go revisit those that you talked about.
Stabilized retinol.
Okay.
Stabilized vitamin C.
Right.
Bio Peptide CL. It's a
Okay.
partnership between those 3 products.
Do I need to use anything else when I'm using this?
Well, if you already have a moisturizer you like, use your moisturizer. And definitely use this before moisturizer. Definitely use it before makeup. But you can use it with anything else you like.
So this would be the first eye treatment. This would be your eye treatment that you put on freshly cleansed skin. And if you like a moisturizer, put that over it. Use it AM, PM. Start off slowly. But once again, only available here on QVC. This is where the Neutrogena Dermatologics brand
the only place you can get it.
Launching. And when we talk about that and we bring in a board-certified dermatologist and we do a study with dermatologists, this is where Neutrogena is taking us to the next scientific level of skincare, correct?
It's the advanced science of skincare. Neutrogena Dermatologics. Superior eye anti-aging benefits.
That.
It's the single phrase that summarizes this product in my mind.
And I have to remind people that the face serum is available on QVC.com for immediate shipment if you want to try that. This one will be coming to you very briefly, less than a month. We're going to ship it out. You can lock that advanced order price in with auto delivery. But first on Q, I believe we actually launched it right here in Saturday Night Beauty a few weeks ago. So
That's
good
correct.
to see you.
Pleasure is all mine.
Thank
you so much.
All right, a 97340. Don't forget, an entirely new approach to cleansing your skin.